Hello everyone, this is Sandy from Yucera. Now I will introduce our new vacuum cleaner for you. As you can see, YRCV5 vacuum cleaner is more affordable. Its power can reach 2000 watts. YRCV5 is easy to disassemble. There are 4 rollers for cleaning. YRCV5 is easy to operate. I will show you the function of each button of the vacuum cleaner. This is the power button. It will automatically shake for 30 seconds to clean the dust after it is turned on. This is the automatic button that controls the connection between the vacuum cleaner and the mini machine. This is the cleaning time interface of the vacuum cleaner. This is the frequency interface. The set button can be switched to control two interfaces. The up will increase and the down will decrease. This is the power adjustment switch of the vacuum cleaner, which can precisely adjust the transportation power. When the spindle of the cleaning machine starts working, the vacuum cleaner will start working at the same time. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in our vacuum cleaner, please contact us.